Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is my No Frills haul, starting with the Oral-B toothbrushes. These are on sale at No Frills for $1 and use your $2 off coupon when you buy two, making them free. The carrots are $1.50 a bag at No Frills. The milk is $4.27. Blueberries are $2 at No Frills. I price matched the cheese for $4.99 at Loblaws and I got 600 points. I price matched the watermelon from Superstore for $3.98 and I got 400 points. The cantaloupe was $1.44 at Food Basics. I price matched the pads at Loblaws for $2.99 and there is a $3 off printable coupon on their website, so you get those for free. The onions are $1 a bag at No Frills. The garlic bread is $1 at No Frills, and the cling wrap is also $1. The bagel is $1 at No Frills, and I got 200 points. I price matched the cream cheese for $2.99 at Loblaws. The tofu was $1.97 at No Frills, and I got 150 points. Also at No Frills, the 375 gram of lean ground beef is only $2. And I got 600 points. The drumstick is $2 a pound, and I got 400 points. I price matched the pizza from Sobeys for $3.99. The yogurt was $3.33 at No Frills, and the Tropicana and Pureleaf were $2 at No Frills. The orange juice are $2 at No Frills, and there is a $1 printable coupon on gocoupons.ca, making them $1 a bottle. The Gatorade is $1 at No Frills. The oranges are 68 cents at Food Basics, and the apples are $1 a pound at No Frills. The Lay's chips are $2.47 at No Frills, and there is a printable coupon on tastyrewards.ca for 75 cents. The veggie straws are $2 at No Frills, and the 18-pack of juice boxes are $3.97 at No Frills. So this haul would have cost me $103, including tax. After coupons, which was $22.50, my total went down to $80.78, and I used $70 from my loyalty points, and I ended up paying only $10.78, but I also earned $11 in points, so this haul was free. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.